Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I am always on the hunt for super soft and comfy shirts, and that's exactly what this one is from Kakola. This beautiful modal cotton shirt is so comfy and it's great for wearing in so many different ways. So I got the black and this is a size medium. It fits me perfectly. It's loose and flowy. It falls just slightly above the hip, so it's the perfect length for me. And what I really am impressed with is that even after washing it, it comes out like it's brand new. After I stored it, it also was wrinkle free. So this top is so easy to just take out of your drawer and throw on anytime. Now, you could use this for workouts and it's really comfy. It's not overly warm, so you're really gonna be able to use it and it's gonna help you even in a sweaty workout, but also it's really comfy to wear. It's nice and basic. I love this black. It's a true black and it's great if I'm just gonna throw it on, go for a quick walk, run out to the store, but yet it's also fancy enough that I could wear under a jacket and nobody would know that I use it for workouts too. If you're looking for a basic top, they have different colors. Honestly, I want one in every color because I really love how comfy and cozy this top is and how well that it fits. And that's my point of view.